How to buy crypto on MetaMask using PayPal. So for us to get this done, what I want you to do is head over to your MetaMask. I want you to go ahead and click the extension itself. Afterwards, you have here the buy and sell. So you can go ahead and click this one right here. And after clicking on that, you should be redirected to your MetaMask portfolio. So this is what we are seeing right now. So you can go ahead and connect your account here. Make sure that it's connected. And then you can go ahead and click this one in order for you to be able to choose a country. For example, US and then Alabama, just like so. And then this is the currency. US is for US dollar. And then down here you have the amount, so you can go ahead and select the amount here, or you can just go ahead and edit it from here. So say for example, if I want to buy only about 130, I can definitely do that one. And then down here below you have the token, so I want you to go ahead and use the token which you want to buy. And after doing so, you can just go ahead and click right here, buy with PayPal. If I'm going to click that one, I should be redirected to the PayPal login page. I'm just going to go ahead and simply log in order for me to be able to confirm this transaction. And yep, that is how you are going to get this done, everybody.